I can't do it, dude. There we go. Here we go. Bust it. Dude. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm done. Your mountain fucking climbers, we're done. This is what you get when you drink freaking Fat Tire beer and you're out here in this atmosphere. Addicted to a nasty crime. What do you have to say for yourself? You start doing fucking mountain climbers.
I can't believe
Is that hip hop? That is hip hop. Yeah, that was nice.
Stopped on me though, bro. I could have went for longer.
I know, but I mean, you went from.
You want to rap with me sometime?
You went from
You can
1980s
keep up.
hip, like breaking to like 87 mountain climbers.
Cause see when you
I love
get,
it.
yeah, and then when you get down, you get up, you just
Whoa!
and you pop it up, baby.
Wow! I am right now.
If you would have waited for it,
Beetle boots.
here's the deal. If you would have waited for it, because I would have been doing my, stuff, came back, went up, pop it, and flip it, and I would have kept.